You know what I was just thinking about? Like, I could be wearing no pants right now. You guys would have no idea. It's kind of awesome. Anyway, guys, welcome to the second video. Probably the most consistent I've been with making videos. I told you we would be here again, and I am like jonesing to make more of these videos. I'm pumped. So welcome to today's video. Let's get into it. We are going to talk about how you can just shoot what's around you regardless of where you are. It doesn't need to be some lavish destination place across the world, and it doesn't have to be anywhere super extravagant. It can literally be your backyard, it can be your bedroom, it can be in this confined space. I talked about it in the last video, but here I wanted to show you just how I implemented my own advice and went outside this morning to shoot what was around me. I woke up, I felt a little bit down. It was a gross, just rainy day in Pennsylvania. For those of you that are on the East Coast, you know what I'm talking about. It's gray most of the time, and I was feeling just ugh. So I tried to rethink what I wanted my day to be, and I decided to just pick the camera up, throw a lens on there, and go outside. So that's it, guys. You can see very simple. It doesn't have to be a long, drawn out piece. This was about a minute to a minute and a half long. I really don't know how long it's going to be. The importance is it helped me to really get my creative juices flowing again. And I then came back inside. I ran upstairs. I started putting things down. I unloaded cards, and I started rebuilding the studio space to now talk to you. And I feel that's important to stress, that when we're in ruts and we're feeling down or we're feeling unmotivated, there's always ways to push through those barriers. I'm talking to all the creatives out there that follow us on this channel and on our travel page, because we feel that the most. We always feel in our head, and we feel like we have creative juices flowing at times, and oftentimes they're just non-existent. It doesn't matter that it was crappy weather. It just mattered that I was doing something that felt productive to me, and I was shooting. It's amazing what can happen when you take your own advice. So that's it for me, guys. I know that this was a very short video in comparison to some of the other ones that we've done. I'm trying to mix them up a little bit and provide like some more quick tip videos. This is not so much a tip tutorial video as it is a way to provide you guys with some ideas of how to go out and shoot in your own backyard. Everyone has that ability, and I'm not saying you have to go out and get expensive camera gear. Most people have a phone. Pretty much everybody has a phone now. If you're interested in that, take your phone out and just shoot and see how it feels. And if you're interested in it, then ultimately you will continue to shoot, and your eye will hone in on what you're trying to film. The moral of this video is to just get out there and shoot. Get out there and do something creative that is going to make you feel motivated, make you feel happy, just push you in a path forward instead of in a rut that I was feeling this morning. And for me, getting outside and using my camera is how I did that. And hope you guys liked the video that was created from that. And I hope that it inspires you to go and do the same in your own backyard or your own living room or your own confined space, as we are living in interesting times, but that should not hinder our creative momentum, our juices, and our progression forward. That's it, guys. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to those who have commented so far on our previous videos and who have subscribed already. We're running, we're going now. I'm working on really scripting out a few more story ideas and getting some content out there for you guys that's a little different than what you've seen in the past. All right, guys, that's it for me. Until next time, get out there, start shooting.